house update. Here is my dining room. Maybe one day. I got 4 more of those bookshelves to build. We painted in here, so it looks nice and bright. I do have curtains to hang. I got a rug. I already talked about the bookshelf. I removed all the trash, yay, and hung stuff back up. It takes a lot of time. And I wallpapered in the closet. Look how pretty that looks. I don't know where I was with this last update, but I built the island and built the pantry. Stuff everywhere. Couch. Got a couch and a TV. And then the laundry room over here. Basically not changed. In the bathroom, this stuff is done. We have rug, and I even hung something on the wall. Look at me go. And then I actually got a sound bar to go with the TV so I can hear it. And then if I go up the stairs, I installed lights. And this is what's really changed up here. In the past week, I did quite a lot of work. So in my daughter's room, I don't know if I showed you this or not, but whatever. I built closets. So she's excited about that. And then in my son's room, I built closets too. And he's got hanging shelves up too. Cool. And then this is the kids' bathroom. I hung wallpaper. I did that just today. I hung these pieces, the towel rack and the toilet paper. I just mopped in here. That stuff would be out here. I hung a border so it's waterproof. I caulked. They did a terrible job. I need to come back and clean this up, but it's watertight, so who cares? Oh, I screwed in their baseboards. It's a lot of cleaning up. It's a lot of work to do. I have a vanity and I have some pieces go here and more pieces to install. Turns out that vanity is too heavy for me, and I need to install that stuff. But you know what? They can use this room. This is the biggest thing for me. I just mopped and cleaned up this room. It was just a total junk fest. I have my closet space installed, and then my bathroom, which I just mopped and cleaned up too. I have something to install here to store stuff, but I'm kind of waiting to finish this. The drywall is still drying. So like, they did such a terrible job here. It's like I have to do multiple layers of drywall to even make it decent. And then like I installed this surround to keep it watertight. Yeah, and then I'll have to paint this once it gets dry and I can sand it again, but pretty much I can use this. And this is one of the cool vanities I got. I can turn on the light and I can turn on a steamer and stuff, so it won't ever fog up. And I got cool shelves in here. Haven't fully moved in yet because I just finished this today. But yeah. And then I'll have my toilet paper holder and my towel rack to install here once I get done. But yeah, so it's pretty exciting. Oh, while I was doing construction, I ripped this shower curtain, but it's okay. I also did that somehow too. I'm just ordering another one. It's fine. So anyway, that's my update. I've also have to mow the grass again. Been taking care of my cool pool. So I'll close off with the pool. Have a good day.